So let us see if we can educate each other about Flow and the internet. So you have already had a connection with Flow, be it 75 megabytes or 100 megabytes, and using the speed test app, selecting Shoguna's server, you are getting this kind of reading. Before doing so, I want you to look at this question here. Will I need a special computer to use my Flow broadband service? The answer is no. You won't need a special computer, but your computer or router will need an RJ45 Ethernet port, known as a network interface. So you can connect to the Flow cable modem. That is all you need. So this is one of the questions that was asked in order to get the connection. Even though after I was not getting mine, they are telling me that my computer was the problem. So let us move on. So what do we do after we are seeing this type of reading? After you cannot connect to your phone and it's only dropping off, what do we do? Well, we have chat where you can make a complaint to customer service. That is the first step. We make a complaint to customer service, letting them know what you are paying for and what you are receiving. That is your first step. Now, as I said, don't let them tell you anything about it is your device, because there is a requirement for the providers. So let me read, and this is from the Telecommunication Authority of Trinidad and Tobago. It said, wishes to advise that in the telecommunication industry, a standard practice for service providers like Flow is to use dual band Wi-Fi modem that are capable of transmitting on both the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz frequency band at the same time. This capability provides consumers with the ability to operate on two independent Wi-Fi networks at the same time, which allows for flexibility and more bandwidth. However, it is to note that not all cell phones, laptops, or tablets can support the 5G frequency band and will therefore be unable to connect to that network based on the development of this technology. It is found that most Wi-Fi devices usually support the 2.4 gigahertz network as a default. Now, in order to determine whether a Wi-Fi device can support the 5G band network, the device must specify that it is that it operates with the 11, and this is what you're going to find in your BIOS to know if your device is compatible. And most newer models of computers would have this. Now even your cell phones, as they would say, some cell phones pick up 5G and some don't. But the question is here that the providers are required to have the 2.4 and 5G modem. So the modem that they are placing in your house, you must be able to get these two signals. Now it is up to your device which one it can access. So you are getting a problem, and you are reporting your problem, letting them know that you are aware of the requirements to get the allotted speed that you are paying for. Now, if the matter persists and there is no correction to your complaint, your second step is to write to Flow. This is the email, and you CC the Telecommunication Authority at this email here. That's your second step. When you do so, TAT would contact you, or there is a free number that you can call. Let me get it. So this is the free number. This is the number you could call TSTT on your TSTT mobile, and you could speak to one called Miss McNeil, letting her know that you made a complaint and you have CC her the information. That's step 2. And thirdly, be consistent. Remember that the standard practice for service providers like Flow is to use the dual band Wi-Fi router that are capable of transmitting on both the 2.4 and the 5G frequency band at the same time. So you are looking for, or to be consistent with your reporting. If the provider provides your internet speed for you, and on the 2.4 you are able to get a max speed connection at 150 megabytes, don't let them tell you that your computer is supposed to have 5G, because it's only on 5G that you can get your allotted speed. That is false information. So be persistent. All the time, and stay on the topic. I am paying for this. My computer have the required operating system. So, and it is capable of giving me this speed. That is what I am paying for, and this is what I want. So we stick on that until the matter is resolved. Nothing more, nothing less.